I'm gonna need that hair growth to be on 10. Okay. What is up, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. So listen, I'm just gonna give you guys a disclaimer right now. If you hear things sounding like it's an earthquake up in this piece, the kids are in the house, okay? It's quarantine. The sky isn't falling, sis. Anyway, let's get right into this video. So if you saw my last video, bing, in the cards, right up here. If you saw that video, I showed you guys how I made this amazing hair growth tea. Now, I have been using this for a while, not like consistently, but when I had my last baby, my edges were like through the window, and this is one of the remedies that I use to get stuff back on track. I deliberately did not like slick my edges down or anything for this video, sis. Like, I got some knotless braids, protective styling in this quarantine, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys today exactly how I use that tea. So I transferred it into a I can't talk. Anyway, I transferred it into a spray bottle, which I have right here. So you might see there's something like at the top separating. That's actually oil. Like I mentioned in the previous video, you can add your favorite essential oils or a broad spectrum preservative. I added essential oil and a broad spectrum preservative, and I also added a little bit of my favorite like hair oil. Like you can put olive oil, avocado oil, like any oil that actually penetrates the shaft of the hair and like really, you know, gets on into the hair and stuff like that. So, oh my gosh, my phone is beeping. I thought I put you on silent. Fast! Okay, so back to the hair oil. So that's what I added. I added my favorite hair oil, which is of course some Jamaican black castor oil, and I added some of my Nat Organics Max Growth Hair Elixir, my favorite. So why I did that, because this is basically vitamin water, okay? Vitamin water. So when you spray this, like I still like my scalp to look like juicy and whatever, but I don't have the time to spray this and then go through each and every single one of these individual parts and add oil. Sis, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So I just put them both in one bottle, kill two birds with one stone. Oh, so let's get right into it. So I make sure I shake it up between sprays so that everything is evenly distributed. So I have my hair in a little ponytail right here. So I like to go ahead and part everything right down the middle. Check out my Michael Jackson jacket. Listen, outside is closed, but we got outside going on up in here, okay? Like, where you going, sis? I'm going to YouTube. That's just saying. So I just part my hair in the middle down in half, and then I just take my pony holder and just like secure this half out of the way. Okay, Pippi Longstockings over here. So I start with my perimeter, and like I said, like shake it between sprays so that the oil gets evenly distributed. So I start with my edges. All the way around the perimeter and back up the middle. Then I start parting. Then I just go ahead with my fingers and massage my scalp. You can use like an electric scalp massager. I have one where it is at the moment. She don't know, so But I mean, for the purposes of this video, like I'm just gonna use my hands, because you don't really and truly, you don't need all the fancy equipment and stuff like that. Your fingers are just perfect for this, and that way you get to feel everything that's going on, making sure you're not missing any spots or anything like that. So I just do that and massage my scalp. Sorry. Then I go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Why I start with the perimeter is just to make sure that I really get it, because when you go in between, some of it is still going to splash on your perimeter, but I mean, our edges are precious, child. They're precious, okay? So they need some extra love. So like I said, shake. Then we start to part. Then we just flip everything back over and why do I keep saying moisturization is important, okay? But today we're massaging. So I just go ahead and I massage everything with my fingers. And that is it. Now what I like to do as well is to go ahead and like deliberately spray some on the length of the braids. Like if your braids are like super fresh, like you don't want to do this, because I mean they should have been like deep conditioned and everything before you got the style. But my braids are like coming up on a month, so what I like to do is like to spray this mixture down the length of my hair as well. You don't have to do it like completely down the length of the entire hair, just where you know your hair stops. And I just like to squeeze that in just to keep my hair moisturized as well while it's in a protective style, because that's really important. Like if your protective style is drying your hair out, tugging too hard and all that stuff, it's not really a protective style now, is it? So I like to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized even during protective styling, so that everything is nice and juicy and popping when we take these out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And listen, if you got to this point in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what is you doing, ma'am? Hit that subscribe button so you can continue watching dope content like this, and we can all, you know, grow and thrive and be shopping with our long, glowy, flowing, gorgeous hair. This ain't my hair, but I'm still gonna whip it like it's mine, okay? I paid for it. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.